Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nuit token. Now Nuit is French for night, and that is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This is brought to you by a project called Notte Labs, and it is spelled N-O-T-T-E. This is a very popular token today, just came out around 14 hours ago and has at least 3 big central exchange listings already, probably more. We're going to go over the information on the Nuit token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, you can find this token on DEX Screener, DEX Tools, Bird Eye, SolScan. This token is on the Solana blockchain. Name of the token, NUIT, and that's also the ticker symbol. Right now, they're up 155% in the past 24 hours. Their market cap is $25.3 million. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $2.3 million. $181,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And token price is about 2.48 cents per token right now. So, yeah, this token pair was created 14 hours, 30 minutes ago, hot off the press. This token was made on pump.fun. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. So it says, Note transforms the internet into a structured text playground for artificial intelligence agents, enabling web understanding and navigation. Now, I am going to put Notte Labs' Twitter up here in the corner of the screen at NoteCore. N-O-T-T-E-C-O-R-E, and that's where you can find that. And they have a link to their GitHub, and they have a link to their webpage right there. They just joined Twitter December 2024, 2,576 followers so far, 38 posts. And this token just got listed today. So today is the 24th, January 24th. So this token got listed today on Lbank. Got listed on xt.com and Mexc Global, and probably more places as well. But those are 3 different exchanges you can get the token on as of today. It's listed on there now. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search NUIT. And then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, this token here, doing very well today. You can see the progress on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, Bird Eye. Not even a day old yet. They have blog articles on their webpage. They also have a document section, docs.note.cc. So it says Note is a web browser for LLM agents, large language model agents. It transforms the internet into an agent-friendly environment, turning websites into structured, navigatable maps described in natural language. And by using natural language commands, Note minimizes hallucinations, reduces token usage, and lowers costs and latency. You can get an API key, create an account on your console at console.note.cc. And every time I say note, it's spelled with 2 T's. Could be pronounced not or some other way. I'm just, not, I haven't heard it pronounced before. So it says console.note.cc and request a free API key. We have a free tier for testing and then a pay-as-you-go tier for production. You can read more about that in the authentication page in their document section. Now there's available endpoints with your API key. You can either use the REST API or our Python SDK to start building your own agent or automations on top of Note. Now you can find their GitHub too linked on their webpage, and you can find it linked on Deck Screener. I think it's on the Twitter here too as well. You can find it all over the place. So it says, if you're willing to contribute to the project or you want to deploy your own Note infrastructure at home, you're free to do so. We've opened the source of the core of the service on GitHub. So that's what I was just talking about there. So they have examples for navigation and scrapping flow. They have info about Python SDK, a quick start guide, authentication. They have blog articles, Discord, API reference. So it says, building the future of web AI agents. Learn about the intersection of LLM agents and browser navigation, technical insights on building AI-powered tools that actually work. And it looks like they don't have blog articles yet, but it says no posts found, but I'm sure there's ones coming soon. This is, like I said, a brand new project, just came out 14 hours ago. On their webpage, if you go to note.cc, they have the blog, they have the GitHub, a LinkedIn. You can check out their linkedin.com. You can check out the console. And yeah, so there's all the info on the GitHub and the document section there. No blogs yet, though. And then all the chart information is on Deck Screener. Now, if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, you can get this token off of Raydium, but first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet, and you could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Raydium, and then using the contract address you could find on Deck Screener, Dex Tools, Birdeye, SolScan, etc., you would trade your Sol for this token using that contract address. Now you probably won't have to set slippage, but you will have to pay a little bit of gas fees when buying tokens off of Raydium, so just be aware of that. And yeah, so go check out this token. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token just got listed. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.